Ako.
Indeed, Palo is the home of the creative people. And not only in the Philippines, but in the world. Diba? Napakailan ito nila.
Indeed, enchanting Palo.
Correct. Enchanting Palo.
Okay, and also we would like to thank our mic coordinator this evening, the Buenaventura Agriculture Office.
Swerte natin. Andito tayo sa city na ganito. Naray.
Municipal Agriculture Office. Salamat po kayo.
Yes. Aside from that, we also would like to acknowledge and thank, of course, ang mga tao that are working behind the scenes. Our admin staff, headed by our attorney Julia Isabel-Risa, together with the admin staff, Chelsea, Yuki, Amy, Nina, Chino, Jericho, Jomar, Hazel, and Anne.
Also, we'd like to say thank you and tourism office headed by Miss Larissa Garcia, together with her staff, Michelle, and